Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you my animation of Blue Star's death and other deaths on Warrior Cats. This is unfinished and may not ever be finished, but I'll do my best. It may not be colored in, but I'll do my best. It's not finished like those. Well, before I even say anything else, make sure you read the description, and because I don't want to do any spoilers of of the books in this. Sorry, in the books. Okay, this is my of how I think he died. Blue Star died. It's not gonna be like a full animation. It's just gonna be like flip throughs. Quickly, but it's actually very like an animation. I still need to make the forest though. That's going to be very small. And we're going to do the voices when this is finished. Okay, the head's going to be very small, I'm sorry. Well, the hair's going to be very big, but the body's going to be very small. At the edge. Sounds a little. Still, this is an unfinished animation. That was the end of this that animation. I made a different one, kind of different. Okay, Feathertail's death. Make sure you read the book before you look at this one. If you haven't, I suggest you go and read it, and then you can look at this animation. But if you get a spoiler, you actually are. Make sure you turn this off. Turn the video off. Sorry. Sorry. Like I said, unfinished. Unfinished. sorry. There's the rock right there. Slow motion. Just saying. Still, it's unfinished, so don't. Sorry. It gets very hard to hold on to. I made it bigger so you can see it a lot better. This is still feather tails. And that was it. Let me go get the next animation. Sorry if it's taking forever. I have a whole bunch of notebooks and make sure that it's still unfinished, not colored. Let's begin. Blue Star's Death 2. Blue Star's Death 2, but different kind of way. It's like Blue Star's Life. Read Blue Star's Prophecy, Moss Kit's Death. Also, these kits are not Moss Kit. It's Storm Kit and Misty Kit. Now it's Moss Kit's Death. It's unfinished. Moss Kit's right there as a ghost. Well, start climb. Snowfur. Sorry guys, I'm chewing gum. It goes back to Blue Star stuff like that. I don't know why I'm showing it so far, but it's just so made. Star Clan. Snowfur's Death. Make sure you read that before you do it, before you see this animation. Still, it's unfinished. Needs to be colored and stuff. Needs to be more like trees and stuff. This is my way. I think people have like first fighting off Shadow Clan Patrol. I'm still like praying crosses over, but this is my way. I kind of have a little bit of background on this. Feathertail's Death, again, different way, different motion, kind of like. So what's all that? If you're wondering where those came from, those are teardrops. And you still need to kind of make them more like a teardrop. Stormfur, not Cloudtail. I mean that, not Crowfeather or Crowpaw. Oakheart's Death. I think you all heard of that one. It's a very short one, it's not even an animation, it's just one. That's Redtail. Unfinished still. And that is all of the animations. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like or subscribe to the video. Please subscribe to my channel. So, bye.